Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of There Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 71. So here it is. Let's read the story. I think, what should you say now? What? I said, you need to see ophthalmology. She said to Sian. Well, this really good. Sian, she always teases her so much. Then I may also need to see cardiology department. Well, Sian, what a lame moves. Right now, she's trying to coax her. Because when I see you, my heart beats so fast and I don't know what's wrong. And don't let me go quickly. Don't delay seeing the doctor. But Sian, right now, she moved closer to her and said she don't want to go. You are my doctor. You, how are you? Well, Lucia knows that Sian is only teasing her. Sian said, are you afraid that I will take off all your money and leave Nunu? You trust me so much. You won't. I believe in you. Lucia said to hers, you are so simple and easy to deceive. What should you do if you fall in love? Sian said to Lucia. But Lucia said to her, I don't fall in love. Liar, you didn't just say that you have a single love woman last time. Well, right now, when I was in high school, I knew at a very young age that I like girls. Lucia said to Sian, what about the father of Nunu? Sian is asking her. Now, this is her chance. Lucia said to Sian, he has been dead for so many years. Looking at the face of Lucia, of course, it really hurts her. You love him very much. I love him, but not the kind of love you understand. So guys, here's the spoiler. Lucy Xiao is only the aunt of Nunu. She never been gave birth. What's the meaning? Sian is asking her. I have never married a man and I have never liked a man. Sian, she was listening to Lucy Xiao and now she was looking at hers. Sian said to her, do you like me? Oh, this girl. She is really ruining the mood. But right now, she is asking her questions. But Lucy Xiao said to hers, you, well, she knows that Sian is only teasing her. Of course, right now, she is really looking forward for it. Why? Why all of a sudden? No, I don't like it. Lucy Xiao said to Sian. Oh, this girl, she also know how to trick people. So what kind of person do you like? Sian said to her, now, can I try to give a chance? Well, definitely Sian. She's really getting tricky. So this Lucy Xiao, she will do anything just to trick her. Doesn't matter if you don't want to say it. Sian said to her, I want to tell you that wherever you are, I will be here for you. Oh, this is really the sweet thing, right? She is really willing to know her so much. If you want, Sian said to hers. Now, after hearing this, of course, Lucy Xiao, she was blushing. She thought that Sian, she is really different person that ever she ever met a person like her. Sian said, just love me. How can she so vulgar? Sian, aside from being tricky person, she is always saying to the point, I'm going to swim over to catch with teacher C. Louis said to Lucy Xiao. Now, Sian said to Louis, let's take a break and can continue for a while. Haven't have enough. Louis, she don't want to stop from taking swimming. After playing for so long, will the sunscreen be washed away? Now, it seems to be used up. Well, it turns out there's nothing left on Lucy Xiao. Then, I'll go back and take a bottle. No, I will go by myself. Of course, right now, she knows that Sian will always dance like this. Then, we are waiting for you here. Now Sian finally set aside. She was going to get a new sunscreen bottle. Well, after for a while, Lucy Xiao still waiting for Sian. She's thinking to herself to call her, because until now, she is not coming back. Now Lucy Xiao thinks, it's been a long time, do you want to go back and have a look? Now, she got really worried about Sian. It's been taking so long. So it turns out she's been hold off. Teacher C is back. Louise said to her mother. See, right now Sian said I'm back. My friend and her daughter, we came out to play together. The other girls said to her, this is my master classmate Chara and I happened to meet her just now. Tiara was greeting Lu Shishao. Right now Lu Shishao was thinking on the girl. Well, definitely, she looks really jealous, right? Seeing Sian with another girls, of course. Sian, she suddenly noticed Lu Shishao. Well, definitely, this is really getting along. You can just sit here for a while. If you're tired, you can go back to the hotel. Sian said to hers. Lu Shishao said, it's okay, you can go, and we are tired too. We can rest here, Lu Shishao said to Sian. Especially, maybe she really got jealous about the girl. Now, the girl said, it's time to go see. Well, the scoreboard seems to be tally. It's 2020. Well, definitely, it was really a close fight. This battle is really amazing. Right now, Sian, it seems that she's going to spike. Her posture is really great. She can really play volleyball. She has a lot of hobbies and talents. Well, this girl, this is really the definition of being outstanding people. Finally, she's been spiked so well. She's been praised by everyone. Mom, teacher C so cool, Lu Wei said to her mother. Now, sit down and take a good look. It was indeed, it was pretty cool. Miss C seems to have a half break. Lu Wei said to her mother. Yes, her water's still here. Do you want to call her? To come here. Oh, definitely. Because she was with another girl. Of course, she might be really jealous. See, you're just amazing just now. You're the savior of our team. It seems that Lu Shishao, suddenly, she changed her mind. She want to go out. Makes sense to Sian. This goes away from the beach. Lu Shishao said she's a little bit tired and she needs to bring Nunu back to the hotel first. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open for those who want to support. You can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!